Hey everyone, welcome back to US Stock Stories, and Emily Carter is here. Today we're talking about a company that's shaping the future of the digital world. Some investors see it as a potential tech giant, while others think it's a high volatility growth roller coaster. Yep, I'm talking about Roblox. The platform keeps expanding, analysts are sounding increasingly optimistic, but there's still a major issue that hasn't been solved yet: profitability. Let's break down what's really going on. Many people still think Roblox is just a kid's game, but in reality, it's a massive digital universe where millions of people from all over the world play games, socialize, and create their own virtual worlds. It's an ecosystem where players generate content, developers build their own experiences and earn real money, and the platform gradually becomes more like a social network. Think of it as a combination of YouTube, Minecraft, and a social platform, all in one. Now let's talk about growth, because this is where the story gets impressive. Roblox has been increasing its revenues at a rapid pace. The number of users is rising fast. Daily active users have already passed 111 million, and year-over-year revenue growth remains strong. On top of that, the company keeps investing heavily in its future. So we're not just seeing continued growth, we're seeing accelerated growth. And this growth is powered by a very strong engine: the content flywheel. Developers build games, players flock to those games, they spend money on the platform, developers earn from that spending, and then they create even more content. This attracts even more players. So Roblox has built a self-reinforcing ecosystem. In the tech world, this kind of loop is incredibly valuable because it's extremely hard to replicate. But is everything perfect? Not quite. Roblox is still not profitable. In fact, the losses they reported in their latest results were pretty significant. And there are signs that these losses won't disappear anytime soon. That's because Roblox prioritizes growth over profit. It's spending heavily on infrastructure, servers, safety and moderation systems, developer payments, and overall technology costs. That means profitability is still some distance away. There's another challenge. The majority of Roblox's user base is kids. That's both an advantage and a serious responsibility. Spending behavior is limited, which means revenue per user increases slowly. And because it's a young audience, regulators are watching closely. So even though Roblox's revenue grows alongside its user count, the profitability side doesn't progress nearly as fast. Still, analysts remain pretty hopeful about the future. Some firms have set price targets around $155 for Roblox. That's well above current levels. If the company manages to execute properly and gradually move toward profitability, this could turn into a very rewarding long-term story. So, should you invest in Roblox? Well, that depends on your investment personality. If you take a long-term view, believe in the growth of the platform, value the rising user base, and want exposure to virtual worlds in gaming, Roblox is definitely intriguing. But if you prefer short-term stability and predictable profits, this stock might feel a bit exhausting. Roblox is absolutely a patient stock. To sum it up, Roblox continues to grow strongly, but because it invests so heavily in its ecosystem, profitability lags behind. If this growth is managed well and eventually translates into a strong profit profile, Roblox could become a much larger company in a few years. What do you think? Would you invest in Roblox at today's levels? If you found this video helpful and want to support the channel, you can join me on Patreon at patreon.com/USS Stock Stories. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.